Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a sweet and sour meatball, starting off with 2 pounds of a lean ground beef. I'll be adding in 1 large onion that I grated, 2 eggs, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a good pinch of salt. Once the meat's mixed together, it gets rolled into roughly golf ball sized meatballs and placed onto a parchment lined baking sheet. Now that I have all the meatballs rolled out, these are going to bake in a 400-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until they're baked all the way through. For the sweet and sour sauce, I'll be starting off with 1 cup of chicken broth and adding in 1/4 cup of pineapple juice, 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1/2 cup of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch. Alright, now that that's mixed together, it gets set over to the side until I'm ready for it. Here at the stove, I've heated up 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and added in 1 large onion and the equivalent of 2 medium bell peppers that have been roughly diced into about 1-inch pieces. They're going to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or until they just start to soften. After a few minutes, add in 2 cloves of garlic that's been finely minced and allow this to cook for about 30 seconds or so. Next in goes the sauce. Also want to add in a good pinch of salt and allow this to cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until it starts to thicken up slightly. Once the sauce starts to thicken up, the meatballs get added in, as well as 1/2 cup of pineapple chunks. These need to cook in the sauce for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the meatballs have been heated through. I'll be serving the meatballs over a little bit of white rice, and I've also garnished it with just a little bit of green onion. Now all I have left to do is dive in and try it out. I am very excited for this. I haven't had this dish in, many years. Probably not since my childhood. So, I was thinking about it the other day, and I thought, man, this would be a perfect dish to make this weekend. The meatballs are really well seasoned and the sauce is perfectly balanced. Not too sweet, not too sour. The vegetables still have a little bit of a crunch to them. And overall, this is an amazing dish, and I hope you give it a try soon. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Vault Girl. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.